Hi Ate Kiara, happy birthday and more birthdays to come. Wish you all the best and stay who you are. Yun lang, I love you.
Hello Ate Kiara, happy birthday. Wish ko po is sana lagi kayong safe as well po yung family ninyo and i-bless pa po sana kayo ni Lord. Thank you for being my friend. Love you.
Hi Rika May. aka Kiara. Happy birthday Kiara. Wish ko is good health ka lagi and stay strong ng kayo boss na more away to come and also makatatag ka lagi. Ingat kayo lagi ng baby. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Hi Kiara! Happy birthday! Wish you all the best! Wish ko sana wag na kayo mag-away ni Boss na palagi. Happy 18th birthday! Ingat palagi. God bless. Love, love!
Sing! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, Tita Kiara.
Kiara, happy 18th birthday. Char. Hindi ko kasi alam kung ilang taon ka na, pero ayun, happy birthday sa'yo and sana maging masaya ka today. And alam ko hindi tayo masyadong close, pero syempre, isa ka dun sa kaibigan, tinuturing kong friend sa Bigo. Ayun. And, ayun, wish ko sa'yo is, good health sa'yo, sa anak mo, and sa family mo. And, ayun, habaan mo po yung pasensya mo pagdating kay Boss na, alam mo naman, diba? Pagka tumatanda talaga, masyadong stress sa buhay, diba? Ay, joke lang, baka mawala ako ng Jollibee. Char! Ayun, ano ako masabi? Basta ayun, mag-ingat ka dyan lagi, and huwag na kayo mag-away ni Nav, buti nga kayo blessed kayo kasi, alam mo yun, tignan mo ilang taon na kayo, samantalang ako, naghahanap pa rin ng true fucking love. Char! Anyway, ayan. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day, Kiara Bells. From Starla ng taon, Char. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Joami. Wish you the best. Sorry if na lang ulit. Busy na kasi ako and stay strong kayo ni Boss Love. I love you.
Yan. Mami, happy birthday sa'yo. Sana hindi na matigas yung ulo mo. Sana hindi ka napasaway. Alam mo naman kung gaano kita kamahal. Mag-ingat ka palagi. And then, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Love you.